Getting started with Osmosis staking is easy. In this video, we're going to learn how to stake Osmosis OSMO in a few taps, but also how you can enable auto restaking so your rewards are automatically restaked without additional fees. Install your own Exodus wallet and click the link in the top right to download, or visit exodus.com. If you don't already have Osmo, you can hit the receive button to view your Osmosis address and send Osmo to your Exodus wallet from another wallet or exchange. Okay, let's get started and stake Osmo on mobile or your computer. The steps are pretty much the same. In the mobile app, tap the profile icon, then tap the staking tile and select Osmosis. Tap the stake button, enter the amount you want to stake, tap Stake Osmo, and that's it. On the desktop app, click on the rewards icon at the top of the app. Select Osmosis, enter the amount you want to stake, tap Stake Osmo, and that's it. You'll start to earn rewards on your Osmo as soon as you stake it. If you want to increase your rewards, toggle on Auto Restaking. With Auto Restaking, rewards of 0.1 Osmo or more will be automatically restaked once a week, compounding the interest and increasing your APY. If you'd rather keep Auto Restaking off, you can manually claim your Osmosis staking rewards when you're ready by tapping Claim Reward. Your wallet will also claim your Osmo rewards anytime you stake or unstake. Whatever amount you stake will be locked. You can only perform transactions like sending and swapping with an unstaked amount. To unlock your staked balance, hit the Unstake Osmo button. Enter the amount and tap Unstake Osmo. You'll be able to send and swap Osmo after the 14-day unstaking period. When you unstake your Osmo, any unclaimed Osmosis rewards will be automatically claimed. If this video helped, you can support the channel by giving this video a like and clicking any of these videos to watch more from Exodus.